केरळाच्या 28 पर्यटकांक फूड पॉयझनिंग जाल्ल्यान मंगळारा उसरा राती तांकां दक्षिण गोंयच्या जिल्लो हॉस्पिटलांत दाखल केले. पोरणे गोंय हांगासरले एका रेस्टॉरंटात जेवण जेवल्या उपरांत हे पर्यटक दुयेंत पडले अशें कळटा. रातचे सुमार 11:15 वरांचेर तांकां कॅज्युअलिटी वॉर्डांत दाखल करून तांचेर उपचार केले. उपचारा उपरांत तांची स्थिती सुदारिल्ल्यान चडशा पर्यटकांक डिस्चार्ज दिलो.
At night, say at around 11 o'clock, we had a mass casualty of food poisoning. There were some patients who were from Kerala. They had come as tourists here, and 28 of them allegedly had food poisoning. So 28 people came. The first patient came at around, you can say 10:50. And then last patient came at around 1:30. Of those 28 people, 25 were okay. We gave them the first aid treatment, we gave them the necessary advices, and we discharged them. We sent them home. But 3 of them, 2 in the female ward and 1 in the pediatric ward, we admitted them because they needed some saline and other treatment. But they were also apparently all right, and they went against medical advice. Usually what we do is, if such people come, we keep them for observation for 24 hours. But being from other state, maybe, they prefer to go home, or maybe their hotel, whatever. So they left, say, around 2:30 a.m. But overall, there weren't any fatalities, and it was told by them, the history was revealed that they had food somewhere in old Goa, and tentatively after that many of them had food poisoning, and they had vomiting, pain in the abdomen and all sorts of things. But so far so good. They took the treatment and they went home.